What has happened is that 1992 I had started my financial services outfit. That was my first enterprise. And my first employee happened to be my co-founder Siddharth Manu. Between 92 and today 2011, we have been together. From a first assistant or employee, graduated to be a friend, then became a co-founder. Today has become something more like a guru also to me. So sometimes having few people run with you for 15, 18 years, you understand each other. They are like wives. You know, सब कुछ समझता है. Your body language, their body language, your weakness, their strength. And we adjust to each other. And then, कुछ भी करो, I am passionate about his business. He says, I am not at all passionate. तो कर रहा है इसके लिए मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. But he sometimes gives wonderful, dispassionate results. So having a co-founder is very, very important. Most of the people we got was maybe we got around friends, somebody whom we knew. जो Fridge of Fire बनाया, he was again a good friend of mine, was the VJTI guy, and he has started his hotel business. So the hotel भाड़े पे दे दिया, I said, I get a rent, I am free. तो कंडाला के उसके फार्म हाउस में जाके मैं अपना फ्लायर बनाने लगा. So most of the things, the guy who happened to help us happened to be a friend today. Is a friend, the guy who is running this stuff. So every time it's the friends and relatives whom you go around and meeting, and you don't even tell them that you're going to pay them salary. They don't even ask you what salary they're going to get. They come and join you. But some of them may last. Not all the people who started with me in 2004 has last. ये 2-3 बार जो crash हो गया, वो जो इनका हालत मेरे से ज़्यादा खराब हो गया. So, but Shiva and we have been together, and some old people have been there together, 6 or 7 people, and they have been the pillars of this business. I am telling you the story, but there is somebody called Mohan, वो दिन भर अकेला गाड़ी all over India बेचते रहता है, driver ढूंढते रहते हैं, माल बेचते रहता है. Somebody called Ganga, who is training boys in Coimbatore and Bangalore. Somebody called Ajit, who is talking to franchises day in day out. My co-founder Shiva is there taking all the pressure. His wife is there as the CFO handling all the vendors. So there is somebody or the other who is running an organization. दिखने के लिए हम लोग देख रहे हैं, एक माइक लेके एक आदमी बात कर रहा है. Organization is all about team members and teamwork. And a lot of time the entrepreneur himself has to take a lot of flack from his team members and co-founders, and you give them a freedom to correct you and to correct your story.
On a closing note, just a message from both of you that, there are people, especially in Jaipur, entrepreneurship is a buzzword in the city right now. So, probably, what message you want to give to the audience, the young audience who are looking forward for, entrepreneurship in next couple of years. Okay. So, in a city like Jaipur, the exposure, hunger is there. So, how they can start off, by considering the resources, the exposure to level of the city, and, all the factors which is to be considered while setting up your own venture or a startup. In cities like Jaipur, just consider that, fact.
See, for example, our own 2004, we started with one store. We went through 2 or 3 cycles where people thought we will get shut down. Today we are at 125 stores in 4 states, in 30 cities, sold more than 4 crore vada pav. Company is roughly valued at more than 100 crores today. Now, a story है, आपके सामने है 6-7. We have Mohi's story, there are so many other people's story. If you have a dream, if you have an idea, one most important thing is that उसको kill नहीं करना. उस idea और उस dream को nurture करना. Be passionate about it. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe in it, you can achieve it. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe in it, you can achieve it. That's the message I want to give.
So I'll just add on to what he says. You got to figure out what is a good idea and what is a bad idea. What I learned personally is that if you have an idea and if you spend more time with that idea, say spending 3 months with the idea. For example, you go and talk about the idea to your parents, you go and talk about it to your nanny, you go and talk about it to your friends and investors and everyone else. The idea grows, it captures you, it overcomes you. And you can't sleep after that. You want to go and do about it. You start seeing it evolving. Bad idea, no idea is bad, but it's bad idea for you. You're not really made for it. Would probably die down in 3 months or 4 months. So if you have an idea, start spending more time on it, read more about it. And if it grows, it overcomes you, probably that's something that you want to do. That's one. Second, I believe that speed is more important than perfection in a startup. If you want to do something, for example, if you want to create a software development company, a product company, make the first release as early as possible because you get a feedback. If you launch a product and it is perfect, it basically means you've taken too long to release it. If it is bug-free, you're not doing a good job. So I would say speed is more important than perfection. Also, when you work with speed, you have very lean startup. You reduce your cost significantly. So 2 things: identify good ideas versus bad ideas, and prefer speed. It's done is better than perfection. So that's all.
I would like to thank Mahadev for organizing such a beautiful event in Jaipur. I had heard a lot about him from Manak and said you should go there to Jaipur and see. And also Vinay for coordinating this excellent activity. You have got a beautiful and wonderful organization which is bringing such a beautiful thing for you. We're all lucky to have people like Sanjeev here, Mohit here, and sharing their story. And you are at the perfect age between 18 to 23, 24. where ideas can evaporate, nurture it. That's what I would say.